Welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center and Shah Sir classes. I am Sha Faisal Sir here. My dear students, Evershine Coaching Center is going to provide an artificial intelligence crash course which can change your upcoming future. This is one of the most important technology which is going to be helpful to decide for your next future what you want to become. Let's begin with this crash course. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This task includes learning, for an example, from data or experience, reasoning, example, solving the problems or making the decisions, understanding language, that is, natural language processing, recognizing patterns, example, images, speech, adapting to new situations. We have the flexibility here. Anytime we can change as per the situation. Now, let's begin the introduction of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to think, learn, and act like a human. So, as how we think and we process the information, similarly, here AI is a tool. It is a machine which will, it is not a human, but it acts like a human. Is this clear? Artificial intelligence is not a human. Only humans has the capacity to think, imagine, store, process and give the output. Similarly, this is a machine which will also act like a human, but it is not a human. Example of AI in real life. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant. You can ask anytime any question, it will give you the reply for that. Chat box like me, self-driving cars, facial recognition on smartphones, recommendation systems like Netflix or YouTube suggestions. Now, sir, what are the advantages? What are the merits? Why do we want to learn AI? Let's see. To increase the accuracy and speed, AI can perform tasks much faster and more accurately than humans. Example, the calculations, data processing, and much more. No fatigue. Unlike humans, AI doesn't get tired and can work 24 by 7 without any breaks. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI can handle boring or repetitive jobs like data entry, quality checks, etc. Helps in decision making. AI can analyze large amount of data quickly and suggest smart decisions, which is used in finance, marketing, etc. Improves user experience. Personal assistants like Google Assistant or chatbox provide instant help and personalized responses. Used in dangerous jobs, AI powered robots are used in hazardous environments like mining, deep sea exploration, or space missions. Now, what are the limitations of AI? Lack of common sense. For an example, we human beings have a sense, we have the emotions, we have the adaptive powers, but AI doesn't have a sense. It doesn't have any feelings, it doesn't have any emotions. So, it has a lack of common sense. AI can't think or feel like a human. It lacks emotional understanding and real world context. And it is higher cost. Developing and maintaining AI systems can be expensive. Data dependency. AI needs a lot of good quality data to learn. Poor data leads to poor results. Job displacement. AI can replace humans in certain jobs, especially repetitive or routine ones. No creativity. AI follows patterns and logic. It cannot truly be created or innovative like humans. Ethical concerns. Issues like privacy, bias in AI algorithms, and misuse like deepfakes raise ethical questions. Now, what are the relevance in daily life? AI is already part of our daily routine, isn't it? Now, how it is? Like you may have seen in virtual assistants in Google, Siri, or Alexa. Recommendation systems like YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, Chatbox, spam filters, etc. Understanding AI helps you make sense of how these work and use them more effectively. Career opportunities. AI is one of the fastest growing fields. Learning IT opens doors in data science, machine learning, robotics, automation. AI research companies across industries need people who understand AI not just in tech but in healthcare, finance, education, and much more. And how AI will be helpful. AI is also helpful in critical thinking, problem solving. Learning AI involves logic, mathematics, algorithm thinking, and it helps to sharpen your problem solving skills, encourage analytical and creative thinking, foster innovation. And also, it is helpful in education sectors like educational enhancement for educators and students. AI can personalize learning through adaptive platforms, provide smart tutoring and feedback, automate grading and routine tasks. And also, it shapes the future. AI is transforming society. Learning AI gives you a chance to contribute responsibility to future technologies, the power to solve big global challenges, climate change, healthcare, poverty, essay in ethical and society discussions about AI. And also it helps to educators as a teacher. Knowing AI can help you use AI tools to enhance your teaching and learning. Smart boards, learning analytics, etc. Prepare your students for a tech driven future, possibly even create AI based educational content. Now, this is one of the most important part of AI. What is the future of AI? Why do we want to study AI? Why do we want to learn AI? Let me have a small recap about the future of AI. Bright, bold, and booming. AI is not just a trend, it's a future. Foundation of every industry. From education, healthcare, and finance to transport, agriculture, and entertainment, AI is everywhere. What's coming in the future? Smarter automation, from self driving cars to automated surgeries, AI in education, personalized learning, AI tutors, auto grading, predictive performance. AI plus creativity will give you an art, music, writing, even storytelling using AI tools like ChatGPT. Ethical AI and law. As AI grows, so do questions about bias, privacy, and laws, creating new career paths in AI ethics and governance. Job opportunities in AI. See, children, this is one of the most important part. What are the job opportunity in case if you are going to study AI? The global demand for AI professionals is skyrocketing. Popular AI career roles. Let me have a small recap of it. The role: AI or ML engineer, he can build AI models and algorithms. If you become a data scientist, how AI is helpful for the data scientist? It helps in analyzing big data to get insights. For NLP engineer, work on language based AI. Computer vision engineer, focus on image or video recognition. AI product manager, manage AI based products. AI ethics specialist, ensure AI is used responsibility. AI educator trainer, teach others about AI tools and concepts. Now, what is the salary expectation as of today's date, 2025 data? Salaries vary by location, experience, and job type. Let me have a small information regarding the salaries in case if you are going to become a master in AI. In India, the entry level salary is rupees 6 lakh to 12 lakh per annum. Experienced AI professional. Once if you get an experience with certain years, then your salary can be hiked to rupees 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs per annum. Next in USA for an AI entry level is $90,000 to $120,000. Just you can multiply 90 with the current price around 86. So 90 into 86 will give you a figure as you can imagine how it could be. And the experienced AI professional can get a salary of around $150,000 to $250,000 plus. UAE, that is Dubai, that is AED, that is the unit what is the currency we are going to use, that is AED, 180k to 240k per year. And experienced AI can get around 300k to 500k plus AED. UK, it comes under GB, Euro 40k to 60k. And experienced AI can get around 80k to 130k. So AI plus domain skills will boost your technology and also your skills. Now, in which field you are going to perform your degree, along with the degree, if you have an experience of AI, can help you out to reach your future. So, job growth rate. According to World Economic Forums and linked reports, as you can see, AI related jobs are growing at 35 to 45% year on year globally. By 2030, AI could contribute over 15 trillion to the global economy. In India alone, over 1 million AI professionals will be needed by 2030. For teachers and non-IT professionals, you can still get into AI. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Teachable Machine, Scratch AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and much more. Explore AI in education, AI for lesson planning, assessment tools, etc. Consider short certifications from Google AI, Coursera, Harvard's AI for everyone. So, my dear students, I hope this introduction of artificial intelligence is helpful for you all. And this is a crash course the Evershine Coaching Center Bangalore has started. So, if any students are interested, you can join for the upcoming courses related to AI. For much and more details, contact 9964257448 and in Google, just browse Evershine Coaching Center Bangalore. You can find the details. Thank you. Take care. All the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. Yet, if you are not subscribed, do subscribe our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care. All the best. See you soon.